In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create milestones in Smartsheet. A milestone is a key point in your project, like an approval or launch date that doesn't take time itself, but marks an important moment on your timeline. I'll walk you through setting this up from a fresh sheet and show you how it looks on a Gantt chart. First, go to Smartsheet. From the home screen, click Start a new project, program, or process. You'll see options to help you spin up what you need quickly. Next, you'll land in the template and setup area. You can browse templates by role, including company management. Those templates are handy when you want a head start. For this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and start from scratch so you can see exactly how milestones work without extra configuration. Choose to start from scratch and then pick a new workspace starting point. You'll be prompted to select what type of item to create. Select Gantt. A Gantt sheet gives you a familiar grid on the left for tasks and a timeline on the right for scheduling, perfect for visualizing milestones. Once your Gantt sheet opens, look for the duration column in the grid. This column controls how long each task takes. Smartsheet uses D for days, so a typical task might show 1D, 3D, or more. To create a milestone, we're going to set a task's duration to 0. Click a row where the duration currently has a value, like 1D. Select the duration cell and change it to 0. You can type just the number 0. As soon as you do this, the start and finish dates for that row will automatically become the same day. That's exactly what we want for a milestone. No elapsed time, just a single date on the schedule. Now look at the Gantt chart on the right. The task you just updated will display as a diamond shape. That diamond is Smartsheet's visual indicator for a milestone. It sits on the exact date you set, making it easy to spot key moments across your project timeline. That's it. You went to Smartsheet, started a new item, chose a Gantt setup, located the duration column, set a task's duration to 0, and watched it instantly convert into a milestone with matching start and finish dates and a diamond on the Gantt. Use milestones to mark deadlines, handoffs, approvals, and other critical checkpoints so your team always knows what's important and when it happens. Repeat this on any task that should represent a single significant date, and your plan will be clearer and easier to track from kickoff to completion.